Yeah. So what you say? Inti back to what I'm saying. Inti mama ya no say Sebi and me mintiasi na Ghana was sending Crawford Kasabibri 2012 yo kruma. Ye who dey see you. Ye ko Supreme Court ye who dey see ye. Eno Akufo-Addo wa ma Ghana anhye o mahama. Wa ma Ghana anhye. What you say? Inti no sa kind of mentality na mode ti kromo a NDC for mo ye violence people mo ye say mo ye nipa owo ye oyokukuduro NDC mu a nani edin a ono otimi ema Ghana obi ehun so ye bema JJ Rawlings say no is no more what you say ehufo nko a say obi so ye bema okromo as obe sorry say ya to aba legitimately am ye man penny or Ghana I said the president of Ghana na esiedun ketia o mate Calgary kofra oba General Mosquito Junior na omra no ma metisi krom no ni nsemu wote Calgary one of the biggest mansions in Calgary a suburb in Canada manembra ana president mama o ma no Dubai no from mom right no metisi krom obaba no friend bra no ma metisi krom no nkase abato eto ye na anya papa nto baba be omo baba be contest elections na wo vise Ghana for huru enim kosoro hwe president mama wo mema yeso ye mema who you ready so no to do unkro beti esiku botimka Ghana is a sovereign state a emraya adwuma ye ntena se ma hooligans bi omuti krom omayoma say they will always rely on the largesse of the state to make life. Without politics, you know, they don't have a life. And you know, Ghana shit, na Ghana nyomodia. O president mama, o see so. Brabe no wetima bama as a person. So who as an individual. Nana Kuredu Admiral Rawlings kofa of Japanese embassy. Now we you all a Liberian and kofa Dubai. Since then, ubedi assemblyman Ghana for the Tuauka. Ubeye a MP, ubeye minister. Ubeye vice president, ubeye caretaker president, ubeye all the presidents in Ghana na show sa. Nanka anybody kura no go be protecting the sanctity of Ghana. And you president Mahama. E dey bi na Ghana for nyama. Sebi preduasan dey na Ghana for nyama. Ah, wo say dey Ghana beshi. Ghana beshi. Oni mu dey amokeka. NDC party no, muni mu dey amokeka. What you say? Na mudia na muvuza mu ye mema sa yi that deluded mentality na mu wo madwini mu na mo sorry a mo kasa mo boso se Ghana majority na parliament and electoral commissioner di yeti kroma na amalata mo kofa no ba be electoral commissioner amalata ebe declare dubious elections in 2012. It was proven at the Supreme Court. What you say ye yo kroma enen simhunu ye nto aba Ghana hanuma President Mahama President Mills onya 20,000 votes Akufo-Addo sorry twintuo etweaba say onu no onte ase no be demonstration kuma. He was having that power and Akufo the whole country powers were with them 2008 oti so be sorry ko di nsehunu bi aya na mo adwere ya mosere mo dia mo pa mo try me de minim say Ghana no adwo obi akodi ni bro nya say Kumasi ya me ba bia me wo me krom ni ba bia me wo me nti say me krom asante achima gogoa obi asore se obi kura nti se abato obi kura ekoso mo tinkan na mo kika nsem hu na wo ye NDC supporter na obedi Mahama echi a o ko ni fie o to afiri ni fie wo cantonment o ko bullion vans e no no de sasa gold o de sasa gold ko ni fie ni sika na o de ko ni fie o de ase na o ye fu soja na e be ma 500 cedis na obi ko di sa recklessness we echi a it's up to you. Ghana ye nyina ye dia na ka ye ka se o mo mu di akon e wo Ghana ha me nananom ene chichira santeman o di ase me nananom ne di akon e di akon di asantemasi ho anka ya no di ase anka ne anka ye warlords anka ye sorry se ne ye sorry ne ase ye di twiridi ni mabu na wa santemamu adi twiridi a so hu numbers e bae numbers e fra Asante region bae ye wo followers papa me ameti akwasi ampani amubu me se me nyobia me wo followers na se ye se nya Ghana ho do ne ye pe and anka 2012 you see you declare say ye mabu na wa santimamu nyina nsori na anka wo Mahama anka obenya baabi agina anka wa ban no anka obenya baabi agina. We tolerated you. We formed Let My Vote Count Alliance and we did everything legitimately to fight you in a legal way, legal channels. And everything. Every asset cry, demonstrations of voter registrar and also the military and the police, and I will share NDC for Atade, or party for Atade, number Bruyen, Mudi Koboko, a Bruye, to tear gas, a Bruyen. Yet we didn't and destroy the sovereignty of Ghana. We didn't do anything to destroy the democracy that we protected for. Now, we'll say that. We'll say, Wako now we'll lose what. We'll say that. On Tiasie. Now, Bema Ghana, you're ungovernable. I hear now who you miss. Share secret, I knew from and in your mind, Sabuti Agra, and somebody be too gun. And people are restraining ourselves. Somebody won him, so my Penida Rollins. He confided in me in a lot of things. Someone him said, "You may be what I mean." Now, what you try? A Kufuor Warini. He is the sitting president and the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Mubedi Chine Boto and Chine Boto. Mubedi Gary Boto. And now, what you try? Now, what you say will be Fiande boys, being radio, so Kevin Taylor or Bema. Kevin Taylor, so a Bema pass or a Bema. America on what him. Omra Ghana Hanomes I didn't know no radio. So I say, and next answer from boys be sorry, I'm going to radio home the man Peniatem. This time round, we are not going to sit down for any idiot to be attacking the president of Ghana. Because Mama no Kramubuno, Mahama Kramubuno ne Kufuado, Mumahama no Kramubuno ne Kufuado, a Kufuado Brawa Po. Sebi Ghana sika na busu afo sen no mustida Ghana sika so ono ane papa toto muto ne nananu mienu mo sori anu mo de musa ko shemboto ma ko yi Ghana sidi na mo de koto aduane adi wo hwe sika no so a na busu afo sen ne da so no ono kura mo so o mo obra na mahama die adama mahama ba e no abobra kwa me nkroma ko fa ne free ba bi oba ya obetena ha na obe ono kura no abobra on de mo ginidi mo respect no. Say if you don't want to respect a Kufuor, nobody will respect John Dramani Mahama in this country. Say Mose Mubabe a polarized country. Ghana for at least a Kufuor, Nani Monyam or Kwabrochi Memo international community. They respect him. They give him the high authority. On Kojina baby, and my front page newspaper and Kaswa Kodisi Kabimuka. Mahama Nyedi here new. Air bass for show. Air bass for show. Now this international community no more to honor. Or more to room and cost wrong. For you. You have a lot to answer. Whether audio pa ye bema ye mema sem na ye wadwene se obema hwinte si wo Ghana ha. Anka obenu me enyoma ma site wo US embassy ne British embassy ne American embassy ne nyoma ekoso international community no. Ka onim kura ka me ne wo anka me jai kura kope ba bi atena. Adwene me ho din. Se bia di be ye kokofo a na o ka ne to bude. Wakodi afemfem dia me ye pe wache wo Mahama. Now we see the would you see Chile Babes round? Koso now continue to be sitting on Asian platitudes. Now continue to be stoking fires and making sure say the hard-on democracy of Ghana you are fighting for. Now penny for to a building democracy ama Ghana be the also Babe destroy Ghana democracy. You are joking. Oh no NDC for more advice. After what? Enye sika die na mo ba bepedi bebreba amoni abri ase du nketi ahye batakaria yi enye sika die basa krono bo eni nsem hu na mo pese mba yusu Ghana de na ye meton box site mfama ye nuan ne ye nchichire e Ghana sika mfama Slay Queens ne mfama ehunwom ehu yia na Ghana fo nkodesu onyame se o mane sada. Elections were held in this country. Legitimate president has been voted for. In the people of Ghana have accepted the Kufuor as the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you don't like it, and if you have an issue with it, Mr. President, former president, you can go to court. Nobody have a problem with you. Because the Kufuor did the same. It's the same. Supreme Court at Tububam Court, you know, Obian Kasa, a Kufuor accepted the results. As one can say, I disagree, but I accepted because Ghana must move forward. Sometimes now no grow for sebi. Kronobo ana mobono krumha. Ghana fo nya akoma tolerate you. Ghana fo nya akoma tolerate you. Hwe. Now we are be kan se dey. Wo be kan se dey. 2012 na abufu na wo Ghana fo mu na woni mabufu no na abufu no Mahama na wo betima gina no. 2012 abufu ane wo Ghana fo anim no na wo Mahama me afa na me fra kurase o because me kro me kurase bebo me afa na me pie kro mu a matete nsamfu bi a mo keka wo ne wasi edu nketia na yenso anim yenso ye betwe ano ne anim de asie ni pa ye betwe ano mrante no a yesu edi agufu yesu ye ntwe ma mo se mo bedidi atamo na mo fa mo ho adi mo kansem hunu mo se mo ye mema mo tinsi krom na mo tinsi krom said ya mo kanse mo pese mo ye mema pa mo boss in between your legs mo tinsi krom na mo hwedi ebesi se mra wo krom ana se mra no krom a ka wo beti mo samia se power bi wo baby what you say nobody will tolerate that nonsense enra na nanu Akufo-Addo ekoto aba na polling station bi etimi no 270 ni abeka 270 ni 270 na Mahama oti Jubilee House wa she white na na bi sa atati na wo sere unu mabufu a wo she Ghana fo ewi a kire na na sa ne o mafsamfu we koso ina na Ghana fo ye dasum ni e dasum kabi ni e manko school free ni e busuafo bre na ye enuanu nya adwuma nye esu Ghana fo nya akoma NPP amanyokuo multitudes of supporters across the country enya akoma enum suo twen ope ema omamu fun tantan no koso ema Ghana fo twen ya 2016 ene yetu Mahama oso ye bema oso ye bema fa court na fa evidence awo nyina fa court Supreme Court ye nananoma judge for ye jomudi ye nim say omunim be omunim nyansa and they know what is right and what is wrong for this country. It is also a dinkunimo. Fako court. You don't sit there and display your incompetence as usual. Incompetence. Now Ghana no wouldn't baby a Ghana free about do baby do. Now do we need John Mahama to destroy our democracy? We need John Mahama to come and destroy our democracy for us. Baby a Ghana free baby do Kwame Nkrumah Ghana. J. Kufuor Sabere Makufidi Wu Ghana. Jerry John Rawlings Ghana. Atamils Ghana. Na ye Akufo-Addo Ghana. Ni ye Mahama say Mahama na me destroy the democracy because worry yakwa abato ama na reporto. Sikadoso po amutuama electoral commission official say omon spoil ballots. Spoil ballots nko alone. Opa check around Ashanti region ha. It's almost about 300-200,000. Sa vote no ke de ka ho and a number of people omo ya agree because MPs ni bebre anyo adwuma. Se kasankrofo no yomadwe so mbeto aba anka wo Mahama anka wo jan and then when your legs to stand on as you trust your begin Ghana for any say won accept the results won accept ya obi amfa ho opekura no a ka se won accept the results obe shipu and ye betwa wo yam and ye wakoma betia to yam because you are misleading people who doesn't even know her results cry boy na me work class na NDC for your Akufo-Addo dia unim say Akufo-Addo dia do so je mama they are so them because why indoctrinating followers to believe say na President Rawlings asemo catch them magiedi this I swear to God and I swear on my life asema President Rawlings catch them say mukuta agenda na my agenda mukuta was just 2024 President Mahama want to stand on something to let his supporters believe say 2024 on one the only candidate mo amoye comrades amoye party ni mo amoye cadres mo sha say sorry na mo kasa nchire no say this it takes an irresponsible leader to behave as such. It takes an irresponsible leader cadres amoye mo de mo moja fight ya munya NDC ni si ho. You shouldn't allow a mediocre Mahama to be misleading you and misleading the NDC to a certain level. You shouldn't allow that. You should tell him in his face, say he's a failure, just like a ambassador, a friend is Ambassador Victor Gweho. He said one of the men that are respecting NDC should start telling him in the face. Say because na Mahama nyesika wo wiani sika bebreba krono obo ya wanyesika bebreba and kono betima ba lead the NDC at this time. Na Joshua Labinum, distinguished people like Joshua Labinum, any your friend says Spio Gabra, fine politician. Spio Gabra. Any your friend say Haruna Idrisu, I'm disappointed in you. Haruna Idrisu, you follow this recklessness. Meanwhile, you have a presidential year, Ghana for Pewasem. In the near future, Bian, you can come and lead your own party. What you want to do, the Mahama recklessness we achieve. Look at how the man has conducted himself. He will not follow this recklessness. Agbangbabin will not follow this recklessness because he knows that the guy that he nurtured Mahama eba be Mahama in politics na ye aban kinsman sumani babu take it from me o so me pa na me ka kire secret a minimum o cost stand the first time 1996 obole bamboy mumusa say why the koye campaign man e ye kinswo aban sumani babu ene wo he odi so some fun so because a useless adventure odi ase mo amudi na chi nyina ye Mahama cohorts because beyond boys on Casa Radio, so we did Kevin Taylor, no many useless boys on Casa, Kakra obedient. No problem in I am got Trabonti. Now, so a Kufuado, why you know Bianco Tabon near your combating. Here will be a common you, Yan and do cuckoo. Yan and I papa no bobra, your bush and four bobra, into your own train. See a Cotrabontin, politics with or without politics, your own train da. Into common bread and a binomudi din some fool gruma. A common bread and Uncle be person Ghana Danny Butu. Yan trashy man sing fools uncles. What you say? Intino Moka 1,000, ye beka 1,000. Muya Madrid Mobruno, ye no ye respecting authorities. And a Kufuad or democracy. What you say? Or democracy dintina 2012 wouldn't some fool a cofa Israeli for be a Masaji figures who come a change ya. Yan two about Ghana Hama presidential. A parliamentary number of votes, a also chair presidential votes. Ejitum 27-0. Yejitum, Yedi Yejuma, Yakasi ebe formal Let My Vote Count Alliance. And only the legitimate way to fight and make sure say every vote counts. Ye symposiums, ye rallies, ye forums. We fought the status quo, legal means and without any lawlessness in this country. Who bomb dog? Say Mahama say on Tiasiena, Yen Shasi and call round. Now intelligence are made it in. I hope it's not true. I hope it's not true. Because you don't get your Quebec Sakokoba, Akokoba. Upon try. Now who was you don't get your way Marco Canada. So Baby Coast Mayhem or Ghana and the Kufuado watch. Come on, Kaubano or Canada, no than Quebec China de Naba. No be answer. Kagri ho, baby, our resident. Kauban Quebec China de Naba. Buka Bufusa Mukwana walk could do for me, I don't give a hoot about you. And I'm assuming no my anybody will try me. Oben media sabakacho, media minimum modus operandi. Now, media won't try anybody. Me na me catch you before God, man. Anybody who will try anything. Oben che. Nagana I am betrano na amamu papa koso nkwara millions of kids are going to school free, including when this for monim tantan amusori amudi atem radio so e kan se mu mabusu afo nyina benefit free SHS. Akwanya Kufuado yi obusu for benefit a lot of social intervention na sabi kumase yonko e be ye me ameye wontim ene woni abre ahon ya ni kunsun ne pesemi nkunya ni nimdie ntraso ne kotonkra ne ahyemabrabo mu semama mu mabrabo krenko yi mu hwemo anim bi omo de tetetewa utu se sankrofo we mu no ahon ya ene enioma mfata wontimi nye obi ba be yeso you problem Kufuado musi oni mampeni da esi edu nketia mo na mo kaaye musi Ghana no so pakonwa ni bia onko chebi ni enkosin bi yakosin akonwa ni bi di abre no oteso akonwa no yakosin abre no nana teso nana di wuhini nana misi di wuhini nana di wuhini koso adi wuhini nana obedi wuhini ama nyankopon beto pon watamfo anim apim beto to obentum na apim beto to onifa na wani wa keke na de be hu sa farasifo ne misrimfo ya omutuwi misrimfo ya hu ni o chance say hu obiom ase edu nketia ne nkofo de kasatenten ofoso ampofo no ofoso ampofo okọ kansem ehu a e di eboni no ye ne bebre Ghana wanya the shenanigans say wonya batontu court na don't blame anybody udi ase MPP for so ye kan ho bi en mo je jankrofo afom ho adi na nkankofo e ba na nke cheli o mo nkofo adi double salary e wa abamu adi double salary o mo ti abamu parliamentarians o mo titi hoyi majority of them double salary o ti abamu it is against the laws of this country it is against the laws of this country go for mo titi parliament no wenya de kasa na kaye na kia so mo nyina akogumu a ankom benya no bia benya bia begina beke kansi hu corruption e cause wo NDC agamamu nanka enei kai ba ba mu yetimi chichi sankrofo emugumu a anka ne komu wadaje begina benya da shenanigans e benya se Ghana ya to aba no Mahama no ankasa Queiroz Gavayo Airbus scandal left right center government official one from Mahama to the last man in NDC. And then these people have got the effrontery. And you might be so in Brazil, any other countries, who call China, any other countries. Where the air cost. Then Central for so most would be homophobia. So on the norm de yamu. Almost a munya papa. NDC for say a year nanka corruption, ya better radio so, the TV so near can once a month. And nanka interrogated the matter on the status quo. From a journalistic point of view, Obianka so unbiased argument. And a moment you no cray woman and Kamukaya and Kenan Kofo Komo jail. A man kene. What you say, media being the fourth estate of the realm, dealing with any idiot who would deal with anybody. Me also when Pamu Abem, that's a debut about when you so. That's me disika, that's a media and mobile cano crane say, me disika, I don't have any problem. That is how we run a country. Now Kofo, my son say, that meka say, when you have a society, power, ever could be Kophobia, or man now should I so be power. No more use power than amass welfare. It becomes so dangerous for society. And the example, typical example is Mahama. You understand? And we will not sit down and allow this useless line of democracy. If you say anytime Biano, I will say, Dan, to travel, you bet my organa, and I nobody owns the key. Nobody owns the key to lawlessness. Sebi mina na bi na kan se entesukoko obi anum ye jati fita entesukoko obi anum enso ye jati fita na sebi o de mafa